Hi, I'm Phil Sadler, Sales Executive here at Wrexham Volkswagen. I'm going to show you around our Volkswagen Touareg 3 litre TDI R-Line Plus that we have on sale. This is the 262 brake, finished in the Reef blue. The R-Line Plus, if you're familiar with the car, has an area view which has a front camera just at the front. It has two cameras under either wing mirror, and it has a reverse camera as well to give you a full 360 view of the car. Comes with 21-inch Malroy alloys, keyless entry. So when the car's locked like it is now, the wing mirrors are folded in. When you open it, they fold out. Then you've got the electric tailgate, which opens with a push of a button. Loads of space in the back there as well. And then shuts in exactly the same way. There's no scratches to the car, it's been really well looked after. It also has keyless entry. So you'll see the little dimples on the side there. That just opens the door. Comes with a 14-way electrical adjustable seats, full leather, panoramic sunroof as standard, push button start, so you press the button down here and then the car will then start. You've got obviously sat nav, which is on there, multifunction steering wheel. You've also got heated steering wheel, and when I put it in reverse you'll see then the reverse camera pops up and the area view as well. So if you're reversing, it's a good safety aid as well. The car has only done 3,382 miles, so it's, as you would expect, like new. And obviously it's got the black trim inside as well. So I'll just turn the car off. It's also got Bluetooth, it's got cruise control, fully loaded, this car. So if you're in the market for a Touareg and like what you see, then pick the phone up, ask for Phil, that's myself, or Harry, or Glenn in our sales team, and one of us will be able to send you a tailored finance quote or arrange a test drive. Thanks very much.